right, so this is it's a really fun rock tune. I'm always excited to teach a rock tune. So this one has a few different little sections we have to cover, so I'm just going to give you the pieces of the puzzle, and then it's up to you to just kind of piece it all together and play along with the track and try to get it. So this is the just sort of the intro slash verse, I guess you could say. And we're starting with a C major 7 chord. So you're going to set your index finger 3rd fret of the A, ring finger 5th fret of the D, middle finger 4th fret of the G. And you probably could get away with just strumming all down strums if you want. I was kind of trying to follow, there's sort of a groove that's like, so I'm just kind of going, and then a little mute, another mute, another mute. So then you're going to go to the next chord, which is a G, but with a slight mod. So you put your middle finger 3rd fret of low E, add your index finger here on 2nd fret of the G. So I'm muting out the A with the bottom of my bottom of my middle finger. And again, you can just get away with probably driving the chord rather than doing that rhythm. So we've got we're going to go to a D5 power chord. So index finger 5th fret of A, ring finger 7th fret of D, pinky 7th fret of G. And you're just strumming just those 3, I think sounds best. And this one goes for twice as long on the strumming, then back to so that should be good for the verses. Now there's sort of a pre-chorus little riff where there's just single notes on the guitar. You can hear it go 3rd fret of A to 3rd fret of E to 5th fret of E to 1st fret of E, then a stop, bop, and then it'll go into the chorus chords. All right, so once again, that was 3rd fret of A to 3rd fret of E, 5th fret of E, and then 1st fret of E, stop, bop, and then I think that's what it does. It does like a little stop, and then a hit, and then it goes into the chorus chords. So for the chorus chords, what I was hearing was pretty much that same vibe. It might be better to just drive the chorus though. So you're going to do that same C major 7, but you're going to go to a E minor. I'll show you that, to F5. All right, so here's what we got. So we got C major 7, I showed you that one. All right, E minor, so index finger 2nd fret of A, middle finger 2nd fret of D. So what that is just a walk down. You're on E, E flat, so that's 6th fret of A, leading into that D5 chord we learned. okay? Then to first fret of low E, index finger first fret of low E, ring finger third fret of A, pinky third fret of D, and that's an F5 power chord. So all that together again. And this is much faster in the song. I'm just trying to play it a little slower for you all. And I'm pretty sure that's it on the tune as far as the different sections. I didn't hear anything much outside of those sections. So you've got, again, the verse, which is going to go from that C major 7 to that G to the D5. All right. Then you've got the little single note thing, pre-chorus. Right. Chorus. And yeah, again, I'll double check, but I don't think there's anything else on the tune. If there is, let me know in the comments, and I'll try to explain it to you down there if I can find any other parts to the song. But that should be enough to get you by. There's like some breakdown sections where it's just like bass and stuff, and for those sections you could just do the chords I was showing you. Just listen for which chord it is. It's probably the C major 7 to the G on those sections, maybe up to the D. But yeah, go ahead, hit the like and subscribe button if this lesson was helpful for you, and I will catch you on the next one.